Hello guys, today we have to repair fine amplifier. So actually I don't have any idea about diagram. So let's see what are the things inside. So firstly we have to unscrew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. So let me quickly unscrew those things. Okay, so one is remaining. Here we have our amplifier. So let's power it up. So when we are powering it, so we have to connect that plus wire with the remote connection. So we have to give same direct line, plus line, minus goes here. So let me connect the plus wires first. Okay, remote connection, the plus wire are connected. Then I'm going to give the 12 volts for this amplifier. Let me adjust the voltage to 12. Okay, then let's connect it. So before we power it up, we have to connect the wires. Let me connect the power source. Oh shit, that wire is headache. Let's try to attach it that way. Okay, now it's fine. Then this is fine. Then let's attach the minus wire. Okay, then let's power it up. Okay, so we can see there is a short circuit. So short circuit means what? Okay, then let's get our multimeter and set it to the continuity mode. Okay, we have to put that part here. Okay, then this is the plus line, this is the remote line, and this is the ground line. Okay, then let me check. Yes, it is shorting. So we have to check what is the issue. So I can see there is a LED here. There is a LED here in that particular area. So it seems like burnt. Okay, then let's check it. Okay, we have some value here, and also we have value, that means the LED is burnt. Okay, then so we have to disassemble the circuit first. Okay, then let's continue from the part 2, the disassembling part of the circuit.